All right. Now, I talked about, plenty of tools and that'll help you increase quality and stability and work on speed. Just if, these are just some teasers that I've thrown out. Reach out if we can help with any of them. It's far too much to cover everything in this short webinar, but if you what I'm showing you here on the screen is a highly shrunken technical blueprint for the structure and flow of a DevOps pipeline that are implemented with some common services like Azure DevOps and Octopus Deploy. It has continuous integration. It has a 3-tier deployment pipeline. I'd like each of you to have this. This is only the first top third of the DevOps poster. It's meant to be printed on 2-foot by 3-foot poster board. You can take it to a print shop. But if you'd like the high resolution PDF of this, then you can send me an email or just ask for it in the chat, and we can get it for you. But this is the process. This is the structure that you need to have in place for your software team, and it gives you the foundational pieces for your quality control checks, so that you can increase the quality there. Also, there's some specific ways that we recommend structuring your Git repositories and the relationship between multiple Git repositories and larger systems. When you have a system that's broken down into microservices and multiple applications, this structure in Git is really important to establishing quality at the system structure level, and it is at the beginning of the DevOps pipeline. It's kind of like where everything flows from. Everything flows from the code repository. So if you make your mistakes here, then you're going to be fighting them all the way down the process. Okay. We also have guidance for individual Visual Studio solution structures. There are specific ways to handle references between projects and the allocation of library dependencies among your projects so that you have proper separation of concerns and dependency management. Again, if you make mistakes here, you're going to be fighting them downstream and maybe misunderstanding the causes. We also have guidance on private builds and continuous integration builds. Those have to be done in a certain way to bring the value, to create that really good safety net. We have guidance on that as well. And as we kind of close up, we've got tons of success stories. We've got plenty of testimonials on our websites. We like to see our clients with a fully empowered and effective software team. And we want you to be a world-class team and be awesome at delivering software. And the best way to start, if we can help, is with our 30-point inspection. We want you to rest well, knowing that you're on the right path. And so we have 7 different areas that we inspect coming into a new team: infrastructure, source control, private build, integration build, release management, deployments, and runtime observability. And so if you know that, hey, you know what, we don't know what we don't know, and I have a suspicion that we're missing some stuff, we're not getting the quality that we need to, we have production issues, the team's not going as fast as they should be, but I'm not quite sure what to change in order to get where we need to be, then this is how we can start with you and start helping, is with our 30-point inspection. Come in and spend some time with your team and with leadership of your team, getting to know the nature of it and looking at everything under the covers and inspecting everything relevant to this to help you achieve those ends. So give us a call or send us an email if we can help with a 30-point inspection and give you clear recommendations on how to increase that quality and stability, and then ultimately speed of delivery.